What if your Galaxy Ultra could charge almost a full battery in the time it takes to make coffee? Samsung might finally be fixing one of its biggest weaknesses, charging speed. And the Galaxy S26 Ultra is leading the charge. Samsung's upcoming most premium flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, is already making headlines months before launch. And this time, it's not about the camera or design. It's about blazing fast charging. According to trusted tipster at UniverseIce, Samsung has started testing 60-watt fast charging on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the results are seriously impressive. In Samsung's internal tests, the phone reportedly charges from 0 to 75% in just 30 minutes. That's a massive jump from Samsung's current 45-watt charging, which many users consider painfully slow compared to competitors. Now, keep in mind, these tests were done under Samsung's own controlled conditions, meaning perfect temperature, official charger, and no heavy phone usage. In real life, charging speeds can vary depending on heat, cable quality, or if you're using the phone while charging. Still, this is a huge upgrade. Even if real-world speeds are slightly slower, 60-watt charging will save users a lot of time and finally put Samsung back in the fast charging conversation, even though some Chinese brands still push higher numbers. This leak also confirms something important. Samsung is already deep into testing the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which means launch is getting closer. The phone is expected to debut in late February 2026, and as Samsung's ultimate flagship, it's likely to bring top-tier performance, naturally refined features, and the fastest charging Samsung has ever offered. Before that, Samsung is also expected to launch its new mid-range lineup. The Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 are rumored to arrive in early February 2026, setting the stage for a packed Galaxy launch season. So, is this finally the Ultra upgrade Samsung fans have been waiting for? If you're excited about faster charging, future Galaxy leaks, and One UI updates, smash that like button, subscribe for more Samsung leaks, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Let me know in the comments, is 60-watt fast charging enough, or should Samsung go even faster?